Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today, we're making raspberry and white chocolate Mr. Cupcakes, thanks to this comment. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to take a cup of fresh raspberries and coat them in a tablespoon of flour. Next, you're going to want to sift the remaining flour, which is 2 1/4 cups minus a tablespoon, with a teaspoon of baking powder, and then add a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Now, in a bowl, you want to mix half a cup of sour cream, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just whisk that together. Now you mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and then fold in the raspberries and 2/3 a cup of white chocolate chunks. Next, you're going to spoon them into a either greased muffin tin or paper cups. Warning, if you do use paper cups, you do have to remove the paper cups, and when cooking it to golden brown, it's going to make it pretty difficult to remove, but it's not impossible. And then you just put it in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Now you're going to make the icing, which requires you to push a 1/4 cup of fresh raspberries through a sieve, which is a lot harder than you think it'd be. And then you add a tablespoon of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of icing sugar, and you mix that together, and then you continue to add a tablespoon of icing sugar until you get the consistency you like. Now you just take a spoon and spoon the icing onto your cupcakes. Mine just simply didn't get to a consistency that would actually sit, and it was still like transparent when it dried. It still tasted good, but it ended up all just pretty much flowing off the cupcakes anyway, so. And then you just add the googly eyes for decoration, and you're ready to chomp. These were very good. I would definitely be making these again. They were a little annoying to disrobe, because when you cook them to golden brown, the bottom becomes a lot firmer, and the muffin cups really stuck to it. But I would definitely make these again. The icing was very good. Yeah, 8.5 out of 10.